How to remove image background in Photopea. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to perfectly remove the background from any image in Photopea. I have one pro tip in the video that will make it very simple, so you must watch the entire video to not miss any part of it. Let's begin. You must first add files to Photopea. You can drag and drop your files here. And you can also open files from here. I'm using the drag and drop feature. Our picture is now open in Photopea. You must now remove the image background. To remove the background, go to the menu, then select in Magic Cut. You can also find Magic Cut in the search bar. Make sure to select Magic Cut rather than the Magic Wand. To manually fix this, you must first understand how these colors work, which is located at the top. The red color functions as a background eraser. The green color is used to restore the foreground, and the gray color is used to undo both colors. You can adjust the brush size and hardness from here. Now I'm restoring image foreground. As you can see, the girl's hair has been restored. I'm fixing this side hair also. You don't have to worry about the background. I'll remove it. Now I'm going to remove the background with red color. You must work flawlessly and correctly here. The background has been removed. I will also fix the remaining portion. You should keep doing this until the entire background is removed. To fix this perfectly, you must also have patience. Keep doing it like this, it will not take much time. I'm removing this side background also. This software is very simple to use, and the best part is that it is completely free. Removing the remaining background here. This part is done perfectly. Fixing these hairs now. As you can see, the hair is not looking nice. So reduce the brush hardness to make it perfect. Still not looking good, but I'm working on it. The hair part is a little tricky, so practice until you get it right. It now appears to be perfect. Now fix the remaining background also. Now it's complete. The background is completely removed. You can also use this method to remove any image background. I hope I was able to teach you on how to remove the background from any image in Photopea. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.